Hello everyone, this is Shanku and you are watching Rooftop Botanist. So this is the fertilizer that I was talking about. This is actually that mustard husk that is in water, and this is like 3 weeks old, and this is the plant that was not I am growing, but this is for stirring this solution every day. So this is actually the plants. This one is growing very healthy. This is 3 weeks old and this is very healthy looking. It's a spinach plants and this is very healthy looking. All the plants are growing very good. And this is the tomato plant. This is very healthy looking. This is 3 weeks old and this is very big, like 10 inches tall. There is flowers that is I am getting after 3 weeks, and I think this is very good for homegrown plants. Yeah, this is very beautiful. Okay, subscribe if you want to get any update after that, and thank you for watching.